In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your avatar in Reddit. Customizing your avatar is a simple way to make your profile feel more personal and recognizable, and it only takes a few moments. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, and you can follow along on desktop or mobile, as the basic idea is the same. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account. Once you're on the Reddit homepage, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there, usually showing either a default icon or your current avatar. Click on that profile icon on the right. This opens a small menu that gives you access to your profile settings and customization options. In that menu, look for the option that says Edit Avatar, or something very similar. Go ahead and click on Edit Avatar. This will open the avatar editor where you can see a preview of your current avatar and all the available customization tools. Now it's time to select how you want your avatar to look. Depending on your version of Reddit, you might see different styles, outfits, colors, and accessories. Take a moment to explore the options. You can usually change things like hair, face, clothing, and sometimes even background elements. As you click around, you'll see your avatar update in real time, so you can immediately see how each change looks. If you're not sure what you want yet, try a few combinations. There's no harm in experimenting, and you can always change it again later. The key here is simply to select the look that best represents you or the vibe you want on Reddit. Once you're happy with your selection and everything looks good in the preview, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually toward the bottom or top of the avatar editor. Click on Save. Reddit will apply your new avatar to your account, and you should see it update in the top right corner where your profile icon is. If it doesn't update right away, give it a second or refresh the page. After that, your new avatar will appear next to your posts and comments across Reddit. And that's all there is to it. By clicking your profile icon, choosing Edit Avatar, making your selections, and hitting Save, you can quickly give your Reddit profile a fresh new look anytime you like.